The Los Angeles Department of Water and Power's flawed billing system overcharged ratepayers thousands of dollars, and the agency is now dealing with the fallout in a class action settlement. But as CBS 2's Randy Page explains, certain parts of the settlement will not help the affected ratepayers.
DWP customer Bradley Fagerstrom says he couldn't believe it when he got a water bill saying he owed $2,500.
We're using 779% more water.
Vanessa Marcel says she was shocked when she saw her bill too.
I got a bill on October 19th saying that I owe over $5,000.
They are not alone.
How many of you believe you're being overcharged?
There are DWP customers who say they've been overcharged for water and power the DWP says they used in 2013 and 2014. That's about the same time frame the utility was using new software that was causing many billing errors. And a proposed settlement in a class action lawsuit against the DWP offers help for customers with future bills, but leaves out all of the ratepayers like these who've already received their bills. Consumer watchdog Jamie Court.
They're preparing for the next billing failure rather than helping any victims of this billing failure.
Bradley Fagerstrom and Vanessa Marcel say they have been faithfully making payments, but they say the DWP says they're not paying enough, so they're getting disconnect notices.
It's been horrible. It scared the heck out of my wife and my mother-in-law who lives with us. She's 92, that they're going to shut off the water, and we're sitting there going, shut it off.
Today, we asked DWP General Manager Marcy Edwards how she would respond to these customers.
They need to call us. We need to pull their account. We certainly are not going to disconnect someone for a bad bill.
Vanessa Marcel says she's made many calls.
I live with a disabled Iraq war vet. You're going to turn off his electricity? I mean, it doesn't make any sense.
She's still waiting for answers. In downtown Los Angeles, Randy Page, CBS 2 News.